All right, okay, in the previous video, okay, we have created the web application okay, using the details view, and then here okay, the information over here okay, will be kind of read only. Okay, it won't allow us okay, to make changes. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you that okay, how can we add the editing function, okay, including update, get delete, and maybe new as well. Okay, so let's see okay, how do we do it. Okay, so I'm going to create okay, another web form. Okay, so let me select the same project, right, and then go to okay, a project name, okay, and then go to project, and then add new item, okay, add a new item, and let me pick the web form, and then this one will be called a web form 2, click add, and then let me switch to the design view, okay, and then this one will be okay, how to provide okay, the editing okay, features okay, for okay, on details okay, view, okay, details view control, okay. All right, okay, so let me again drag and drop an instance of the details view, okay, and then we'll repeat the same process. Let's configure the data source, okay, SQL database, click OK, and then there's only okay, one database. Previously, it has the constraint, connection string set up in the web configuration file already, okay, so that's why okay, it gives us this option over here. So we just need to use it, okay? And then click next, okay, click next. And then let's get use the products, okay, table again, okay, products table again, okay, so let me see, yeah. And then select all the fields okay, here. But then this time we want to provide the editing okay, or updating function. Okay, so we have to select the advanced. Okay, so make sure you select the advanced. Okay, select the advanced, and then you make sure you put the check mark okay, here. Okay, so the software will provide the insert, update, okay, delete okay, SQL statements okay, for us. As for the use optimistic concurrency is read up to you. Okay, is read up to you. Let's keep it simple. Okay, let's just no, don't put a check mark okay, over this option over here. Then click okay, OK. Okay. Then click next. Okay. Again, you can do a quick test okay, if you want to. Okay. So far so good. Click finish. And then you can see that now, okay, it has more options. Okay, it allows you to enable paging, okay, and then also enable inserting, okay, editing, and also deleting. Okay, so let's enable all of them. Okay, here. Okay, and then again, do a little bit formatting. Okay, so maybe say simple this time or professional. Yeah, try professional this time. Click apply, click OK. And again, if necessary, widen the width, widen the width of the grid view control. And then let's run it, okay, let's run it. So it's loading, yeah, and then you can see that now, okay, the number of items are still listed at the last row, but then prior to it, now there's an extra row being created, allow us to perform editing. Okay, so if I want to make changes, then let me click the edit. Okay, so you can see that those editable fields now automatically become the text box. Okay, so maybe I want to change this one, the number of quantity on hand to 199. Okay, then I can click the update button. Okay, there you go. Okay, so you can see that the item got changed. Okay, and then but I'm not going to try delete, because if I delete it, then the item will be gone. Okay, highly likely. Okay, and then I can click new. Okay, so you can see that I can insert a new product. Okay, if I want to. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, let me try something here. Okay, see how it goes. Okay, so let me try maybe head. Okay, SE. Okay, SE. Okay, SE head. Okay, 00. Okay, 01. And then okay, South Season head. Short description. Okay, South Season head. Okay, South Season nice. Okay, head. Category ID. Okay, ooh, I forgot. Okay, so anyway, let me just create something like called head. Okay, and then image file, maybe just head se. Okay, dash head 01.jpg. Unit price. Okay, let's say 99 cents. Okay, quantity on hand, just put it 10, and click insert. Okay, oops. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, it give us this error sign over here. Okay, highly likely because that the character ID pick is not in the categories table. Okay, that's why it shows the error over here. Okay, yeah. So let me try something here. Okay, so let me see whether I can find the right category quickly or not. Okay, so let me expand the table and then the category. Okay, category. Okay, let me see the information. Okay, so show table data. Okay, so let me try the masks. Okay, mask as the category. Okay, so let me minimize. Okay, well, let me invoke the browser here. Okay, and character ID. Let me try the mask. Okay, and then let me click insert. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so you have to pick the right category ID. Okay, in order to insert that new item. Okay, so let me see. Okay, I don't know the item number. Okay, so if I keep clicking on it, okay, it might be at the very end. Okay, so okay, let me see. Start with SE, so it could be at items. Okay, 17. Okay, or 23. Don't worry about it. Okay, I'm pretty sure that the item has been inserted already. Okay, because we can also use the view over here. Okay, the products table view over here. Okay, select the products table and then select show table data. And okay, there you go. You can see that the SE dash head has been inserted into it. Okay, so it shows that all the code works just fine. All right. Okay, so this is how you can make the changes, update the information of an item. Okay, or you can delete an item. I'm not going to do that now. Okay, or create a new item. Okay, create a new item. Okay. All right. Okay, so let me stop the video. Okay.